Full swing. Uy, one on. Caught on cam. Safe pa.
Alright, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you watching around the world. Yes, we're still stuck here in Singapore, so in order to not lose some muscle memory, we are hitting the golf course once again on the 9th hole, this time around with the long-time brothers in Christ. That's Memel, and that's his new gear coming up later, you will see. And we're here at the Mandai golf course, a 9th hole, and there's PB, our spiritual mentor and longtime Kaki as well, joining us in this round. So we're all excited to shrug off our jitters on hole number 1. As you can see, there's some audience that started to build up on the clubhouse behind us. So yep, hole number 1 is always the challenge, as you can probably relate to all golf events or plays you've made. So that's Memel showing off his new old equipment. And we're off to hole number 1, and as you can see on the upper left corner, the weather is starting to get not so friendly, if you will, but golfers as we are, we continue to play until there's no siren or horn. By the way, when you hear one long siren in the golf club, in any course for that matter, that's an indication of a weather disturbance, usually a lightning disturbance. So wherever you are, seek shelter. If there's any shelter within the premises, that's the safest way, because we are obviously holding irons or metals, and that is a dangerous proposition where you're in a thunderstorm. So we continue to do our round. We're now at hole number 2, and as you can see, all of us are struggling to shrug off the jitters. And so yeah, watch along and see what happens next.
Habol, habol. Stay. All right. Pasok, pasok. Yun, up. Okay. Okay, take. Alright. Let's see, saan tayo abutin nito?
So at this point of the round, we already see the clouds getting really heavy with rain, and there's some lightning strike far across the distance. So we decided to go to the nearest rain shelter, which is around hole number 5, and we're pretty much rushing there now because of the imminent thunderstorm. So here we're now in the shelter, and you can see that the rain cloud is really covering the whole horizon. And you can see me looking at the lightning app or NAA app just to see where those lightning strikes will be, and if we are anywhere near danger, if you will. So
Yan ang adventure. Alright. So this is how it looks like.
Well, as you can see, the rain is really very heavy, but after a while, about 1.5 hours later, that downpour eased up, and we decided that probably it's time to go home and cancel our round. So we went to the clubhouse to arrange and rain check.
Fairway na naging hazard.
So you can see the fairway is flooded. And this very strong current of water from the canals going into the drain. So here we're going back to the clubhouse to arrange for our rain check. But
a few moments later,
true golfers as we are, we continue to play the remaining 7 holes. So watch all the action, and we thought it's just going to be an ordinary round with soggy fairways and wet conditions on the green, but later on you will see golfers can still make par despite these conditions, and later on the 9th hole you will see some, I would call it, miraculous shot from Memo. And so go ahead and watch and enjoy how we struggle to hit balls on the fairway, hit putts on the green because of the wet conditions. And I'm sure all of you golfers out there can relate to us when you encounter these kinds of situations. So, yep. So here you can see Memel trying out his new old Vapor driver from Nike. And as you can see, he's just doing a half swing.
Wow!
And his swing speed is really fast because as you can see, his ball really flew all the way to middle of the fairway. Long drive for him for a while. And so he's very, very happy with that drive.
Bola ko. Bola na Memel. Boom! Ayaw. Malalaglag na yan. Alright. Sige baby, ready golf. Soon available, go. Sige. Patunugin. May bogey pa. Nice.
Meanwhile, PB is getting warmed up already with his game. And previously you saw him doing his bogey putt. And I think that's one of the strengths of PB's game. His short game, chipping around the green and putting. So later on you'll see he'll make, I think, back-to-back pars. And, well, our friend Memel is struggling on his putt at the early part of the round. And it still continues to do so as well. But the good news is that his drive is really long, and he continues to practice only a half swing just to get used to his new old driver and enjoy his future rounds with this new arsenal.
Up! Oy, babalik! Bumalik! Bah! Layo ah. Saan punta? Talagang tinira mo sa driver ah. Tinira ang driver. Uy, 1-on no? Sige. 1-on.
See the result? Half swing on a driver on about 160, 170 meters. for Memel, and it went 1 on the green. So, yeah.
Yun, babalik. Okay.
Here you can see the strength of PB's game. He used the putter off the sand because of the wet condition, and he was able to make the ball close to about 3 feet for a par. And I did not see that captured on camera, but obviously that is a very good effort from PB. Picture. Well, they say golfers are eternal optimists. So despite the rain, despite the thunderstorm, despite the wet, soggy conditions on the green, we're still able to enjoy each other's company. And here you will see PB later on making par with his back-to-back good holes.
Tama. Birdie to win. Safe pa. Yun, sarap na pakiramdam. Alright. Double par ka ba dyan? Pwede niyo pang balikan yung ano bro, kung di ka nagmamadali. Pwede niyo pang balikan yung isang hole. Bilis tayo eh. Pwede niyo balikan yung isa doon para kompleto.
And we thought that's all there is in this round, with rain, thunderstorm, water everywhere. Only to be, well, surprised, maybe shocked even by Memel's decision to go all the way back to what we call the ultraviolet tea. Not blue, not red, not white, but ultraviolet tea. Watch what happens next. So, surprise of surprise, the ball went over the tree, over the canal, all the way to almost the back of the green, but hit a tree, went back inside the green for about 10 footer for putt, for birdie. What a shot by Memel. So here I am on my last hole, hole number 9, hitting my 6 iron on the blue tee. So.
Nagpakitang gilas si Beber sa vlog. Caught on camera eh. Pati yung one on. Ulit.
There you can probably tell by Memo's body language how happy he was on this particular hole. I think it's the first time for him.
Saan ka pa? Diba? No other sport like that. Greatest game ever played. Piruin mo yon. Driver mula doon, tatawid ng kanal, tatama sa kahoy, lalanding sa green. Saan ka pa? Yun, adventure.
So, go ahead and comment of your own miracle shot experiences around any golf courses, so that we make this as a lively community for us to share experiences. Regular golfers, regular players all throughout the world. So, yep. Here we are finishing up our putting for a very unusual, adventurous day of golf with very good friends. So I hope you were able to enjoy this vlog as much as we do, as always. And thank you for watching.
Pero natuloy pa rin. Ano masasabi mo ba? I recommend. Thank you.
doktor mo. Finish you.
Yan, alright. Mga tatay natin nanonood. May swimming, may golf na, may swimming pa. May miracle shot pa.
So up till the end, we still can't believe what just happened there, hole number 9. And as you can see, we're having a good laugh now. And this is Mark Boado. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye.